You asked, how to divide 6,667 by 59 using the long division method. 6 is too small. Use 66. 66 divided by 59 equals 1. 1 times 59 equals 59. 66 minus 59 equals 7. Bring down 6, making 76. 76 divided by 59 equals 1. 1 times 59 equals 59. 76 minus 59 equals 17. Bring down 7, making 177. 177 divided by 59 equals 3. 3 times 59 equals 177. 177 minus 177 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 113.